this hot week. Let's go down to the river. Let's go to the lake. Let's burn a fire and give this scene a break. Let's get out of the city. Let's go running the street. Let's sit down in the holy water where the air is clear and clean. Maybe Sammy, you could grab some firewood, and me and V will take care of the booze. And Hannah and Brian will be the good company. Let's go to the river. Let's go to the lake. Let's drink some holy water and get ourselves all bathed. Let's go to the river. Let's go to the creek. Let's go down in the water and cool up this hot week. Grab the old guitar and your mama's blanket and a book about serial killers that I can read. And don't forget to bring
비벼.